They do, don't they?
Oh. Are you gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
You wanna do it with me? Hold on to my back. We'll do it. We'll do it tandem. Seriously.
Just one at a time.
Just
Go.
Hold on to my back. Come on. Don't be a puss.
No, just go by yourself.
Ready?
I'll go after you.
Come on.
I'll go after you.
You don't even know if that's strong enough to hold you, Tubble Arch.
No.
I'm just kidding.
If he goes, will you go? You get out of the way. You want to get lit.
Ah!
What was that?
I was gonna try to do a backflip. No.
Okay, go, hurry, go. Just do it.
Oh God! Ow!
The dog's going. She's going to go get him.
Ow!
You look so swole, babe.
I'm looking real swole.
Swole. You are swollen.